Market segmentation and targeting. The process of segmentation follows logical steps as explained below. Step 1. Identify bases for segmenting the market. Step 2. Develop profiles of resulting segments. Step 3. Develop measures of segment attractiveness. Step 4. Select the target segment. Step 5. Ensure that the segments are compatible. In step 1, we identify the base for segmenting the market. The base can be demographic, psychographic, geographic, or behavioral. Step 2. Develop profiles of resulting segments. The profiles of people of various segments should be distinct. If they are not, the benefits expected from the segmentation will not be derived. Step 3. Develop measures of segment attractiveness. Determine the size, purchasing power, and the segment's propensity to use the product. This will determine whether the advertising expenditure and the relationship costs associated are worth the effort. Step 4. Select the target segments. The selection of the segment will depend on the current size, growth potential, competition, substitute products and services, and the relative power of suppliers and purchasers. Step 5. Ensure that the target segments are compatible. Every customer is not worth serving. Some customers may require services that are quite different from the services currently on offer. Some customers cost more to serve and may result in disruption of services. Some customers do not generate high revenue but contribute to innovative ideas and improving the services. Some customers demand more options from which to choose. Some customers require services that are quite different from the services currently on offer. Customer profitability segments. Some providers segment markets not according to the volume or usage but by potential profitability over the long term. The revenue generated and cost to serve the customer is calculated for an estimated lifetime value.